Hi friends, welcome to Radioactive. Today I am going to tell you how to create a reverse car parking sensor. For this you need a ultrasonic sensor, Arduino Uno R3 board, male-to-male jumper wire and a buzzer. First of all, take the ultrasonic sensor and insert it on the breadboard, then connect 4 male-to-male jumper wires to the sensor. Now you can see 4 pins for the sensor. First one is VCC connected to 5-volt pin of Arduino, then second pin is trig connect trig to digital pin 9. Now third pin is echo connect echo to pin number 10. Finally connect GND to GND pin of Arduino. Now take the buzzer and insert the positive terminal in pin number 13 and GND to GND. Now it's time to upload the code. Most of you use Arduino IDE software to install code, and some of you may not know any coding languages, but don't worry. Now I am going to introduce a new software which makes the code easy to write, that is MBlock. I have mentioned link in the description to download. First of all, open the MBlock, then let it open. Now click on Add and select Arduino Uno, then click on OK. Now go to the events and drag out when Arduino Uno starts up. Then go to sensors and drag out first one. Now go to variables and click on make a variable, type D and click on OK. Now drag out second one and insert sensor block into 0. Then go to control and drag out fourth block and join it to variable block. Now go to operators and drag out sixth one and insert it in if then block. Now go to variables, drag out first one and insert it in greater than block. Now go to pin and drag out fourth one and insert it under if then block. Now right click on if then block and click on duplicate. Now keep it below the if then block. Now delete the greater than block from second if then block and replace it with less than block. Then go to control and drag out forever block. Insert forever block on the first if, then block. Now drag the first block and attach it on forever block. Now change trig pin to 9 and echo pin to 10. Now change greater than and less than blocks number to 20 centimeters. Now chain pin number in both if then blocks to pin number 13. Then change first if then block to low and another to high. Finally, connect the Arduino and click on upload. Now you can see that when an obstacle comes less than 20 centimeters distance, the buzzer makes a beep sound. We can insert this in the cars. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe.